Welcome to the Currency Index Market Report.
The pound finished last week very much on the back foot after Eurozone GDP came in better than expected, showing growth in the Eurozone. Only a very small amount of growth, 0.2%, so hardly anything for European bankers to start doing cartwheels about, but it was a little bit better than expected, and there had been real fears that the Eurozone as a whole might slip back into recession. Along with European inflation figures, which were also out late last week, the euro gained a lot of strength towards the end of the week, and as a result the pound dropped to its lowest level for those of you buying euros for a month. So certainly things have turned in the last week and the pound is looking a little bit more fragile. The same is true against the US dollar, where we've continued to see exchange rates come down for those of you sending money abroad. So this week, whether or not to bite the bullet and take your losses if you still need to send money abroad, or whether to wait on for some improvement, is always a tricky decision. We do have an awful lot of UK data out this week, including retail sales, inflation figures, public sector borrowing, and importantly the Bank of England minutes, which were released on Wednesday. So if we see any of those UK releases coming in with a disappointing outcome, then certainly there is potential for the pound to fall lower. So do think carefully if you are sending money abroad in the coming weeks, because although we have seen losses, these could get worse if any of those data come out worse than expected, particularly the Bank of England minutes, which could reveal that interest rate rises in the UK are even further off than we might have previously thought, and interest rate rises are needed to give the pound a boost. If we're not going to see interest rates go up until next spring, next summer, that could hurt the pound as well. So tricky week this week. If you are watching rates, please give us a ring at Currency Index and we'll be happy to talk you through the latest news. Make sure you don't get caught out by any further losses.
Visit currencyindex.co.uk to save money on your next currency exchange, or call us today on 0800 043 2623.